The leadership of Benin Club don sama the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, with Ogbonge Award of Excellence sake of him contribution to the development of the club. Presido for Benin Club, pharmacist Fred Iboyi, talked this one on Friday for Government House, Benin City.
Because of your selfless service to this community, your contribution, the immense contribution to the development of Benin Club, where all assemblies are gathered every day in the society.
Shaibu went through a salute give the Benin Club and the president for the Ogbonge Award cause the talk say the club they play Ogbonge role when they do better things for the society.
Thank you for this award, and I cherish this award because this is not one of those awards that they tell you to come and buy table or come and pay certain money before you are given a plaque. This is an award that actually was not solicited for, but was given, and also to apologize that I was not around, I was not in the country when this ceremony took place at the club. That was when I was invited by FIFA to grace the finals of the FIFA World Cup. So I will be physically present. So I want to thank you for this award. And it's coming from a club that is not only, it's one of the best notable club in Nigeria. And it's one club that been for its name, and a club that every other club is looking forward to in terms of social activities and programs. And your tenure as the president of Benin Club 1931 has also redefined the image of the club. And some people wonder why I call you authentic marble president. It's not just because of the marbles that is there everywhere in the environment, but the significance of your administration to the foundation and the enactment of our position as far as one of the best and a role model for other clubs to emulate was why I carved that name authentic marble president. The quality of innovation and quality of transformation that we have there shows what is in the mind. Because if you don't have a quality mind, you cannot actually have a quality output. The development that has gone in there, as for the first time, I remember of the golf course. For the first time, Benin Club, the main club, coming to help to fix things in golf section has not been something that is common. But your administration has gone beyond the main club to golf course, and recently I saw the swimming pool and some other and the quality is amazing. And one will say, can we raise such funds to fix and get quality outlook that we now have? Some will say yes, some will say no. But even those that say yes, we will not expect the quality that we have gotten. So I think you and your leadership have set the standard, and you have defined the image of the club. And I wish that after your tenure and your administration, others will come to do it, because what is constant in life is change. And the change we want to see now is a continuous change of continuous improvement. You have set the barrier now, so we cannot go lower than that. People will ask questions one way. Whoever comes in after you want to drop the standard. So you have earned that name, you and your executive have earned that name, and I pray that those that will be coming after you will be able to live up to that standard and also be given an accolade that will befit what they've done.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMCTV News. Make sure I remember say your PVC and your power. No say I'm giving a politician on the election day.